Hello everyone, welcome back again in the online class. Today we are going to continue same chapter we started on Tuesday, that is force and motion. And today we will study difference between rest and motion. Mainly we will focus on what is rest and motion and their differences. Okay, let's go through this. From rest and motion. Introduction. Every day when we look around, we see some objects. Some are moving, like kicking of football, running vehicle, flying birds, aeroplane, etc. They are moving. And some of the objects like computer screen, table, books, electric bulb, photo frame, etc. They are not moving. That is, they are at rest. By observing above examples, we have question in our mind. What is rest and motion? So now we will try to know about them. At first, rest. A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time in respect to its surrounding. Some examples are like building, bed, stones, then electric bulb. You can see these are some objects around us which are at rest. And similarly, motion. When a body changes its position with respect to surrounding, then it is said to be in motion. And we can see examples of some objects around us which are in motion, like river, aeroplane, flying birds and moving fan. They have motion. And now rest and motion can be differentiated also. So some points are there. We will start. At rest, body does not change its position with respect to its surrounding, but in motion, body changes its position with respect to its surrounding. And at rest, an object does not move, but in motion, an object moves. And we can learn some example here like trees, tool, houses. They are objects which are at rest. And similarly, moving vehicles, rolling ball. They are some examples of body with motion. So now we can understand rest and motion are relative terms. That means they are comparative to each other because they are defined with respect to a fixed rigid point. For example, a passenger sitting on a moving bus is at rest with respect to the person or other passengers sitting inside the bus. But at the same time, he is moving with the bus with respect to a person standing outside. From outer side, the bus, it is moving. It seems it is moving. Yes. So, passengers, they are at rest, but bus, it is moving in comparison to the outer surrounding. And similarly, our house or home, it is at rest with respect to the earth. If we compare with the earth, our house or school, they are at rest. But they are also moving along with the earth with respect to the sun. So, from this example, we can understand that rest and motion are relative terms. That means we can define whether the object is at rest or motion by comparing to the surrounding only. Okay, that's why they are relative terms. And you know that sun seems to be at rest with respect to our solar system. Yes, we think that only planet and satellites, they revolve around the sun, but our solar system is also moving along with the sun around the center of the galaxy. Okay, so in this way we can understand that in the whole universe there is no object which is at absolute rest. They are showing some kind of movement. That means they are in motion. Okay, so in this way we studied rest and motion. Thank you. I hope you are clear. In the next session we will study different types of motion.